Delicious, the ultimate diabetic cookbook review number 1. Diabetes is the condition in which the body does not properly process food for use as energy. Most of the food we eat is turned into glucose, or sugar, for our bodies to use for energy. The pancreas, an organ that lies near the stomach, makes a hormone called insulin to help glucose get into the cells of our bodies. When you have diabetes, your body either doesn't make enough insulin or can't use its own insulin as well as it should. This causes sugars to build up in your blood. This is why many people refer to diabetes as sugar. Diabetes can cause serious health complications including heart disease, blindness, kidney failure, and lower extremity amputations. Diabetes is the 7th leading cause of death in the United States. Diabetes is more prevalent than ever and 95% of cases diagnosed are type 2 diabetes. Although for some the development of diabetes is inevitable, perhaps due to hereditary and other factors, for the vast majority it can be prevented by taking these 7 simple steps. Diabetes is more prevalent than ever and 95% of cases diagnosed are type 2 diabetes. Although for some the development of diabetes is inevitable, perhaps due to hereditary and other factors, for the vast majority it can be prevented by taking these 7 simple steps. Before diabetes type 2 becomes fully developed, you go through a stage known as pre-diabetes. This is where you start to show some of the symptoms, which if ignored, can lead to full-blown diabetes. Make these 7 action points part of your daily routine and you could stop this disease happening to you. 1. If you are overweight, you risk developing diabetes. Reduce the amount of food on your plate so you gradually eat less and start to lose weight. Drink a glass of plain water or a sugar-free drink before your meal to take the edge of any hunger pains. 2. Reduce the amount of fat you are eating, grill or bake foods instead of frying, use low-fat spreads and reduced fat meals. 3. Check the glycemic index of the food you are eating. Knowing what each food contains helps maintain your blood sugars, which in turn can prevent the full onset of diabetes. 4. Drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. If you keep a bottle of water with you and sip frequently, you'll be surprised how much you do drink throughout the day. 5. If you are feeling peckish, choose a healthy snack rather than a chocolate bar. 6. Use skimmed rather than full-fat milk in hot drinks. 7. Exercise is good for health. But if you are not used to exercise, then start in moderation. 15 minutes gentle walking each day will ease you into a regular exercising pattern. All of these action points are also the ones that diabetics are advised to take. If you take them now, you might possibly prevent irreparable damage to your health.